Do you suffer from annoying TPMS light on your dash due to faulty sensors in your wheels? Replacing these sensors can cost several $100s, pounds or euros. Finally, there's a solution developed in the UK, the world's first TPMS bypass system. You can install this yourself in easy steps. Unlike other options, no vehicle software modification is required. Designed, developed and built in the UK by vehicle electronics experts. It's a standalone box. It runs on 2 AA batteries and is easily programmed to your car or truck. There's no wiring as the device communicates with the vehicle by radio. And due to its size, it's easily fitted and concealed in the cabin. Here's the inside of the unit. You can see the printed circuit board and battery holders. The unit itself has no setup requirements, as you order the unit to match your vehicle type from the website. And here's the electronics. The green printed circuit board, battery holder and polarity is shown for easy insertion. The wires are carrying the power from the battery to the circuit board. And this third wire is the unit's actual antenna. Turning the unit over, this is the on-off switch. Turn it off before inserting the batteries. Simply insert the batteries, observing the polarity. This is a closer look at the TPMS bypass system. The main item you need to check, all is working, is the LED. This is the LED. Then just switch the unit on and it starts transmitting. After you switch on, the LCD will start flashing after about 20 seconds, as you can see here. In the unlikely event that it doesn't flash or it's on continuously, then contact our team for the solution. When the LED is flashing, the unit's ready to use. At this point, switch the unit off and replace the cover as shown. Reapply the screw and your unit's ready to install in the car.